Hello everybody, today we will get stretching our splits and how to do it. I will show you some exercises which help you to do that. I will get sit firstly in this side, after on yourself and change. That you see how to this element right in all sides. Let's start. We slowly take up leg with strong back and pushing it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly you will sit with strong back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will get change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After we will get this leg in this side and open our hip with strong back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take this leg more to ourselves and take it on the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After I will get change. Take this